Tips on wearing blusher. I think depending on your skin tone, I feel like coral blushes to like more brighter one, depending on your skin tone, is really important. I've only realised that now recently. And also with blush, like, it's where you apply it. So I tend to apply blush more on like the apples of my cheeks, just because I feel like it gives me like that dull look and I have that face. But my face isn't very structured, and I go ice skating every time and I cannot skate to save my life, and I just spend the whole time holding on to the edge with my brother all around. My poor brother's sick of me. He is sick of me. And then he ends up picking my fat ass up the flipping... yeah. It's bad. But I still love it. I went in America as well. Ice skating in America is next level. So before COVID and everything, and before I started this job, I used to spend every Christmas and New Year's in America. Anyway, we went ice skating there. I think it was like outside the mall or something when I was in Boston. It was freezing, right? It was absolutely freezing. Then you're getting onto the ice rink and it's even more freezing. And guess what? There was literally like no bar to like hold on to. So I genuinely just dragged myself across the floor the entire time. It was awful. Even though I can't do it to save my life, my whole entire life. What age? I was 22. Try roller skating. But you know what's crazy? I used to be Don's accent boy. What are you talking about? Did you go to the post office? No. I need to go actually. You know what I need to check? The shop down there. I need to check so I can go do that. I've got to walk. I just don't have the energy to leave the house. I've not left the house in so long that I genuinely don't have the energy. How people talk about makeup when the results speak for itself. Mean people suck. I don't like mean people. How old are you now? I'm 23, nearly 24. God, I'm old. Are you still contagious? No, I don't think so. This is like my 9th or 10th day isolating, so I really need to go hairspray that piece. Where are you from? What background? Pakistan. You only need to do 5 days. Is there? Well, yeah, I've not left the house, so I just don't have the energy. Hey girl, I'd love to see you wearing one of our necklaces. Oh, that's cute. Sign me up now. Thought you're Arab from your name. Oh no, I'm not. I get that a lot though. Your makeup is amazing. Thank you. Imagine me on a toothpaste commercial. Hey guys, brush your teeth twice a day, otherwise you won't have pearly whites like me. Oh, thank you for that. Grow. What do you mean grow? Are you Asian? Yes, I am. I'm Pakistani. Convince me. Good. Go brush your teeth now. What's your toothpaste? I use the Oral-B 3D whitening one. What are your plans for the rest of the day? Are you Muslim? Yes. You mixed? No. Plans for the rest of the day is, I don't know. I want to go for a walk. I need to go do that. Yeah. Would you still go on your honeymoon once things settle? Yeah, of course. Like we did say, like, maybe towards the end of the year, so maybe for New Year's this year we'll spend it in Maldives. But the thing is, it's just like, right now we're travelling, it's just so up and down, and we've both not had our jabs, and it's just, what do they mean? I'm so gullible. Bless her, she didn't get the sick joke. You're so innocent. I don't, what does he mean? I don't know what he means. Someone explain. My mind is way too innocent for this shit. Like, oh my god, Ads is still on here. Why do I have it? Yeah. Ads is just like, he comes, he says, hello, auntie. He then pisses off for about a good solid 20 minutes, and then he just puts a few laughing face made emoji. Read it in your head, you'll get it. Okay, let me read it again. What was it again? If you go on my TikTok, there's a video on all the different colours, so go and... I know, I say I will. The makeup and the hair, sis. Oh, thank you, Cooge. Yeah, I did my makeup on live this morning, so like this whole look, my hair, my makeup, I did it on live this morning, but there was nobody on there. So... What hair colour did you ask for? So my hair colour, I asked for like a brunette, a light ash brown money piece, and a few highlights, light ashy highlights. Damn it, I missed it. I know, girl. I have heartburn. Did you hear that screaming? What lip combo? Hi Sophie. My lip combo is Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Hot Gossip and then Sugar Rush lip gloss. But it's basically come off. Now I need to go top it up. Heartburn at this age. I get bad heartburn. Like, I have suffered from heartburn from maybe when I was about 10, 11 years old. I get it really bad. Hi from Sydney. Hi. Hello. I'd love to go to Sydney. Thank you, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. I love your outfit and your picture. Have you ever travelled to the Caribbean? No, I want to. I mean, I can eat a medium. I can eat a medium from Nando's and that's about it. Anything more? Sorry, no. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Thank you. One more in the morning. Oh, that's good. Spicy food. Like I said, like, I don't eat spicy food. Like, the most spice is like a medium Nando's for me. See, as a mild Asian I am. I'm like holding onto my heart like, oh, are you confident to come out without makeup? Yeah. I was on here this morning with no, like, not even brushed my hair, not even done an eyebrow. So, who's this unknown person? I don't know. No, no shit. No shit. Rolled out and was like, TikTok. TikTok. And my hair was all like bedhead. Like, you know, I put it in a bun last night and I woke up and it was half falling off and I came on. Yeah, you missed it this morning. Every TikTok live is just some idiot with no friends. To be fair, I am just an idiot with no friends. So, I stand by you on that. Some people. The bartender asked, hey, why the long face? I'm not quite sure. I didn't laugh. Oh my god, how amazing are you? Wahida, how amazing are you? Look at you, girl. Look at you. Are you kidding? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Your yawn made me yawn. I love that. I feel like just yawning, just so everyone watching just going, Wahida is so pretty, isn't she? She is beautiful. I'll be on to do hair sometime. I'm a hairdresser. Oh my god, yes! Do my hair, please. I'm gonna dip it for yawn again. I'm kidding. Mashallah, she is just beautiful. She is a beautiful girl. Come to Minnesota. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to come to Minnesota, and when I get to the border and they're like, girl, I'll be like, get my hair done. Your yarn made me yawn compared to me. Sorry guys. You sound like an Arab guy saying How do you settle arguments with your partner? Oh god, we're still trying to figure that out, honey. We're still trying to figure that out. Like, trust me, we do. I mean, we argue like cats and dogs, like, but we're just trying to figure it out. We're just figuring it out. I think communication is super important. WrestleMania as well is also super important. No, I think it just comes down to communication. You need to understand, like, you're two different people. You have two different expectations of what you need. Like, I need something of him to consolidate how I feel to then move forward, and he's also the same. So I think once you kind of establish that and you respect that, remember that, listen to that actively and know what they need of you, vice versa, then I think that way you can have discussions more and if it is a very, very small argument, like if it's not really a big deal of something, then like resolve it as quick as possible. Try not to fall asleep on it as well. And like, because then you just drag that negativity into the morning. Like, that's something that I said. Oh shit. Room tour. I can give you a room tour. This is my living room. Got makeup. Oh, cute. I did a makeup tutorial this morning. I wish you were on it. You also write small arguments calling me. Yeah, like, this is what I mean. Like, I just said, even just recently, I just made this decision in my marriage. I said to him the other day, like, we had a little bicker and we fell asleep on it. And me, I'm so emotional, like, I'll just cry myself to sleep. I'm like, cry myself to sleep on one side, and he's there, like, on the other side, fast asleep, you know, not even bothered. And then that gets me even more pissed off. So I come downstairs at times, but like, I can't sit and sleep next to him because I just want to slap. I want to, like, punch him in the head. Like, it pisses me off sometimes that he can just fall asleep so peacefully while I'm there crying and he's just there knocked out. Anywho. So after that in the morning, then, you know, there's that awkward tension and it's just that atmosphere, and you kind of drag the argument into the following day. And I don't really think that that's important, especially if it's something so small. Day fresh. There's another door rather than anything. But yeah, so I think there's one at the door. Did you hear a door knock? I don't know. Anywho. But yeah, so I said to him that day, like, at the end of the day, if it's something that can be resolved, Fifi the flower top. What? At the end of the day, if it's something that, like, can be resolved, resolve it before you go to sleep, and then sleep on it. And then in the morning, it's a fresh day. That sounds scary. I know, I mean, it's probably just like a parcel or something, but, like, I lived alone, it's boring. It might be a robber. Don't say that.